Hello everyone, how are you? Today I have come with a new concept which creates a horrible situation for students. Do you know what? Yes, you think right. This is the operation of science of integers. Students feel lots of problem when they deal with these signs. In this video, I will try my best to teach you this concept easily. So let's start. Concept is understand and learn the rules of positive and negative numbers of or integers. Okay, so in this video you can understand the rules of integers. That means how you can deal with the sign of positive and negative with numbers. So come on, first thing is addition. So in addition, when you see two positive sign plus plus, then always put plus with resultant. That means the added value. Okay. And when you see negative negative, that time you also have to add. You have to add the values and put negative sign with resultant. Okay. So rule is very easy. When you see same sign with two different numbers, in this case you have to do addition. Okay, you have to do addition always. So I take a first example. Just suppose that plus 16 and plus 32 both are positive integers, or you can write it like this: 16 plus 32. In this case you can see both are positive integer. That means they have positive sign. Okay, so simply what you have to do, you have to add it. Then 16 plus 32, you can write it 16 plus 32, which you already learned in previous small classes. Okay, how to add it. So 16 plus 32, it becomes 48. What you have to consider here, you have to consider that both are positive sign. Okay, both are connected with positive sign, so you should have to put here positive sign. And in my first video I already told you that this is not necessary to write positive sign with number. Okay, come on, next example. So next example is minus 13 minus 12. See, both are negative integers. Here two integers with negative sign. So first I told you that you only have to add the values. That means add the numbers first. So add the numbers, then 13 plus 12. Then 13 plus 12, it become 325,112. Okay, so addition of 13 and 12 is 25. And my next rule is that negative put negative sign with value. So I have to put negative sign with value. Understand? Okay, come on, next example. 18 minus 10. See here, in this number, in this question, you see both of sign like this. But in this question, you see both of sign like this. That means one number, that means 18 is positive and this 10 is negative sign. Understood? This is positive number, this is negative number. But both are connected with negative. Okay, subtraction. So in this question, what you have to do? You have to write like this: 18 minus minus. So minus minus, you have to do addition. Very good. So addition, that means plus, and write the number 10. So what is the resultant of 18 plus 10? Yes, 28. Very good. This one is completely same. So this is for you. You do it. Next thing is subtraction. I think you clearly know how to deal integers, how to deal addition, how to deal with numbers. Okay, when positive sign is there, when negative sign is there. So come on, next thing is subtraction. How you can do subtraction of integers. Okay, so subtraction of integers, first see here clearly, when one number with positive sign and another number is negative sign, always you have to put negative sign. But how? Second rule is put sign of greater number in value. Greater number. Okay, not always put negative. Greater number. But you have to do difference. You have to do difference. Sorry, I written here different. Okay, different sign. So different sign is plus minus, minus, minus plus minus. Okay, so you have to do subtraction. You have to do subtraction always. That means you have to find out the difference between the numbers, difference of numbers. Understood? And when you put the sign, always check which number is greater. Because simply, yes, you have to find the difference, but put sign of greater value. Okay. I think you will clear with example nicely. So check it here. One integer 34 with positive sign and another one is with negative sign. Okay, so I told you that you have to find out the difference. So in your previous classes you you understand how to subtract it. So 36 minus 34 is 2. Okay, now my point is put sign of greater number in value. So which one is greater number? Yeah, of course, 36. What is the sign of 36? Negative. So put it here, negative sign. Understood? Next number. Next example. Minus 48 minus plus. Okay. So minus 48 plus 92. What you have to do? Subtraction. So 92 minus 48. How much will come? 44. Okay, 44, you can check 44. Now my point is put sign of greater number. So which one is greater here? Yes, 92 is greater. What is the sign of greater number? Positive. So simply positive sign will be present here. Come on, next. Minus 14 plus 18. See here. Minus 14 minus plus. Okay, but see here, this one is an integer. Okay, this one is an integer with negative sign. So first you have to solve this one. Okay, this sign always. So you can write like this: minus 14. Again, plus minus, plus minus, minus. Put it here, minus and 18. Again, you can see this like this one. And you know what you have to do? Yes, same sign, same sign. That means you have to do addition here. So 14 plus 18, how much? 32. And sign will be, yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Negative sign. Very good. Come on, next. This is multiplication. Okay, multiplication. So in multiplication, check it here. Maybe this thing, okay, you can see here clearly. Then positive into positive. That means two integers with positive sign, when multiplied, they will give positive integer. Okay, two integers with negative sign, when they multiply, it will give positive integer. Again, positive integer multiply with negative integer, or negative integer multiply by positive integer give negative integer. Just understand it. Just check it with example. 12. 12 means positive integer. 12 positive integer, then positive into positive, positive. Okay, then 12 into 12, 144. Put the sign in resultant. Then we have to put positive sign here, and this is not necessary. Next, minus into minus, minus integer into minus integer. So first only multiply the number. 13 to the 26. Then multiply into multiply. Minus into minus, minus into minus, plus. So no need to write down plus sign. Understand? Also you take minus 7 into 4. 7 again, minus into plus, minus into plus. So you have to put, first multiply the number 7 for the 28 and put the sign of negative. Okay. This thing is very useful when I will teach you properties of integers. Okay, but I want to just show a preview. Okay, so just check it here. Positive into positive into positive. When you see three numbers with positive sign, always put positive with resultant. Next, when you see three numbers, three integers with negative sign, always put negative. When you see two positive integers multiply with one negative integer, always give you negative sign. Same like this. When a positive integer multiply with two negative integers, always give you positive sign. Just clear here with example. Positive into positive into positive, positive into positive into positive. So first multiply the number 2 3 ja 6, 6 12 ja 72. So positive into positive into positive. Yes, positive. Okay. Next example. Negative into negative into negative. Negative into negative into negative. But first you have to multiply the number. So 3 into 4 into 2. How much? 24. Okay. And negative into negative give you negative sign with resultant. Same here. First you have to multiply the numbers. So 4 into 5 into 9. It will give 180. And see here. Two positive integers multiply with negative integer, it always gives you negative sign. Next, first multiply the number. 8 into 2 into 4, it will give you 64. Okay, and see here, positive, when one positive integer multiply with two negative integers, give you positive sign. So 64, which positive sign. Come on, next section. So division. Same, when positive divide by positive, it will give positive sign. When negative divide by negative, it will give positive sign. When positive divide by negative, it will give negative sign. When negative divide by positive, it will give negative sign. Okay, put the sign with value of resultant. Just check it with example. Positive integer divided by positive integer. Positive integer divided by positive integer. So 18 divided by 2. Tell me what the answer. Yes, 9. And what the sign we have to put? Positive. Okay. Next number. First divide the numbers. 10 divided by 2. Yes, 5. And negative divide by negative. It will give positive. So no need to write down. Next, 9 divided by -3. Positive integer, negative integer. Okay. So first divide 9 by 3. So 3, and check it here. Positive divide by negative. It will give negative sign. Same as negative divide by positive, negative divide by positive, give negative sign. But first you have to divide the number. So 3. I think you clearly understand how you can deal with science integers. Okay, and I'm waiting for your feedback. Please give me your feedback. Thank you.